Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making Haitian gratine. Alright, you already know what I'm gonna tell you. Admitably nusunu binjumana kitchen. First we're gonna start off by boiling our macaroni, and while that's boiling, we're gonna work on our ground beef. First, I'm gonna start off with some Haitian seasoning, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, and Creole seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion, some bell pepper to give it a good taste, and then I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. Next, I'm gonna add some ragu to soften the meat, and then we're gonna go check on the macaroni to see if it's cooked. My macaroni is cooked. Let's go cook some ground beef. My ground beef is now ready. I'm going to go ahead and prepare my bechamel sauce for the macaroni. First, I'm melting a bar of butter. I'm gonna add some onion, some bell pepper, and a little bit of flour. Now I'm adding some milk, specifically carnation milk, to turn it into that thick, saucy filling that I'm looking for. Now I'm adding some cream cheese. adding some Parmesan cheese and give it a good mix. And now I'm just re-adding the seasoning that I added for my ground beef just to make it taste better. Now it's time to add everything to the macaroni. Now I'm adding the macaroni to my Pyrex bowl so I can go and put it in the oven. But first I'm gonna layer it with some cheese because it would not be completed without more cheese. I added a little heart just for some fun, and now it's ready to be cooked. Look at this, amazing. Now we have a beautiful Haitian gratine. It's golden, it's pretty, it's delicious. I hope you guys really like this video, and let me know in the comment below what would you like to see next. Thank you.